Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today in second lesson we are going to introduce you some tricks in Excel also to create a table professionally. First, for example, I have this data, just select it. How you can select it? Just select a cell, then hold it and drag it to select all the cell, then right click, copy. Okay, for copy, for example, I paste it here, it remain. You can paste it like this one, paste it only as number or as function. I paste it only as a value. Okay, remains in the original location. For example, I want to reverse the process, just Ctrl Z. This time I select it again, right click, cut. For cut, it doesn't remain in the original place. Let's check, right click, paste. You see, we have in a new location and it deletes in the original location. Great. Let us work with the format cells. Here it is a numeric. If you want to add salary, as you see here, in, for example, dollar symbol, we have to add manually, shift and 4, it adds the symbol because it's numeric. Now I want to change the cell, just select it, then right click. Here we have format cell. It's a general, you can select it as a number or currency. I select accounting. Here select a symbol, for example I select $, United States. Okay, you see, directly add the symbol of $, for your salary. Okay, another trick, for example, you want to write a phone number. For example, here I write phone number. Okay, 751 125. Okay, something like this. You see, number 0 above 7 is disappear. If you want to make it remain, you can do it in two different way. First, double quotation, 75125, double quotation. Directly work with it as a text, or delete the cell and here select the cell, right click, format cells, select it here, number, select it a text. Okay, now 7551256 you see the 0 above the numbers remains. Okay, now I want to show you how you navigate between cells. For example, I am in this cell. If you want to move to the right location, you have arrow, right arrow, it moves to the right. There's also in your keyboard left arrow, it moves to left. Also upward arrow or downward arrow. Also by tab, you can do the same. Tab, click tab, it moves to the right. Hold shift and tab on your keyboard, it moves to the left. Also by enter, if you click enter, it moves to downward, but if you hold shift and enter, it moves upward. Good. Now let's create a table. You can select this data here. I want from home. First I want to make it to center. Okay. Then Control T. Okay, directly bring us where is the data for your table. Okay, my table has headers, you can select it or uncheck. My table has headers, so I select it. Okay, you see, directly it gives you a table. Let's reverse the process, Ctrl Z. In another way, select the data here from insert table, you get the same point. My table has header, yes. Okay, great. Also here, if you click the symbol, You see all the content is appears. For example, I don't want appear 1,100 salary. Okay, you see directly 1,100 removes. Let's bring it back. Good. Now you can select the table. Then from table design, we have many designs. As you see, which design you want, this one, this one. Okay, you can select any design. Again, you can move the table. Select the table. Okay, just on borders you get this option on the border. Good. Again, from table design, select the different table. Select the table. If you want to delete the table, select it, then right click. Here we have delete table, table columns, you see, but I don't want to delete it. Then Ctrl Z. Great. For example, you want to create a custom table, just select the table, table design, open this one. Here we have new table style. You can select new table style and it comes to here. Here we have 3 custom table. For example, I want to delete this one. Okay, again, remains 2, delete. Okay, delete. Now I don't have any custom table, just I want to create a one. New table style. Great. Whole table. Okay. Header row. Format. Header row, for example, I selected bold. Which color? For example, I select this color. Okay. Just click OK. First column stripe. This one. Format. Which color you want? For example, I selected this color. It appears like this. Just click OK. You can name it. Name my table. Just OK. Now let's check. Here my table comes to here. Just, for example, I change the table. My table. That was the table I just created. Okay. Let me come back to table design. Here. If you want to change your customized table again, from here, select a right click. Sorry. Customize table. Right click. Modify. Header. Format. For example, I select it which color. For fill color, I select it this black. For font color, I select it this white color. You see, it appears here from preview. Okay, that's my table. That is all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Have a nice time.